this is the input image and the output image would be like this. Hi, today we'll be taking a look at removing backgrounds using Python. The stuff you usually go to some website like remove background and upload your image over there. So today we'll be taking a look at how to do it locally. So let's get started. First thing we'll need to do is get into our VS Code, open a new project, like create a new project, and yeah, let's get started from there. The first step we'll be doing is installing some dependencies. So what we'll type is pip install below, and the second dependency is remove background, that's rembg. We'll say enter, and that should install everything. Mine was already installed, so it didn't take much time. Okay, now let's get to the code part. The first thing we'll do is import PIL. Then the second one is import rembg. That's what you thought. Okay, so the next step is we'll say a function. We'll say the function name is remove background. We'll give it two parameters. One is input underscore path. The second would be output underscore path. We'll give a syntax. We'll start writing a code. So we'll open the input image as, let's say, input equals from pil dot image dot open, and would give you the input underscore path. That would be the first step. Now what we want to do is we want to remove the background. So we'll say a final image would be out. Okay, and then we'll go to rembg dot remove and put in our input, and then we'll do out dot save, and we'll put our output path over here. Yeah, so that's basically it. Now let's call our function below, remove background. We'll give the input path, that would be in our case input.jpg. Then we'll give our output path. So let's say I want to name it as remove.png. I'll hit save, I'll hit run Python file from our VS Code. That would run the file, and yeah, we have a removed PNG over here. Let's open it and check it. So this is our PNG. You don't need to run this code manually. You can create a website for this code, like put it in a web server and create a service and just upload your images. So this is the input image, and the output image would be like this. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.